everybody, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 4 of the cleaning routine videos that I'm doing, and if you missed the first 3, I'll link them right over here for you guys so you can go check them out and follow along. Today is Thursday and I already dropped off my 2 older boys at school, and I still have my little one for the day, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to keep him out of the way for this particular video because I'm doing floors today, and that means carpet, hardwood, and tile. And if you haven't already noticed, I have a fairly good sized house, so this could be a little bit of a longer video, maybe even longer than the first 2. We'll see. He's going up and down the stairs right now. I think I might put him in the bonus room to watch a show or something to keep him out of the way until I get up there. So today I'm going to be using 2 things to clean the house. I will be using my Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute Stick Vacuum, which I adore, and there will be a review coming for this soon. I'm excited to do this one. And then I already have a review for the Bissell Crosswave. This is a mom must-have. You guys actually both are, but this one is one of my favorite toys ever around here. Colton's throwing balls in the kitchen. So before I get started on cleaning for the day, let's see what's expected of today. Thursday is floor day. 1 load of laundry, vacuum the entire house, mop my hardwoods downstairs, empty out the garbages, and mop bathrooms. So it sounds easy, right? But it's gonna be a lot of work, and I'm probably gonna get another workout in. So let's get started. Hey guys, just wanted to chime in real quick here. So the way my house is set up is that I have to actually start at the very, very back of the house for mopping. Otherwise, nothing really works out right and I end up getting my feet all wet. So the way that I have it here is I'm starting out in the very back of the house by the boys' rooms, and then I'm doing this bathroom over here next. And then after that, I'll be heading out and doing some trash. But really the way it works out is that I just go from room to room, gradually getting through there and mopping so that I make sure that everything gets done, but at the same time that my feet don't get all wet and that nobody steps in it. Luckily, I have a whole upstairs room that Colton is playing in right now, and he is staying very busy up there, so I'm able to get all this done without any interruptions. Well guys, I am done for the day. It had just turned 12:06, so I am just now ready for lunch, and feels good to be completely done with that already this morning. So that went a lot faster than I expected, and I think a big part of that is the Bissell Crosswave. When I was doing mopping like normal, it was always killing my back, and I always had to take a lot of breaks. But this thing it's like vacuuming, so I mean, it is a vacuum. It's a wet vac. If you guys have never checked that out before, I will link my review for it right here. It is amazing and I love it so much. So instead of using my Dyson V10 all over the house first before mopping, the vacuum, it's like a wet vacuum, so I'm able to do vacuuming and mopping at the same time, so I don't have to do any prep work beforehand. So that really helped speed things up a little bit. And as you guys saw in the previous video on Monday when I did bedrooms, I already vacuumed all the bedrooms, so I didn't have to do that again. That kind of cut back on how much time I spent today. The part that took the longest was definitely the mopping, but it was still not that bad because of the Crosswave. So that was fun, but not really, you know. But tomorrow I'm going to be doing my kitchen, which I am not looking forward to, but I think I'm gonna really love how it turns out in the end. That includes like cleaning the refrigerator inside and out, so that should be quite the task. So anyways, if you guys missed the first 3 videos, I will link them right over here for you. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here if you're new. Stay tuned for tomorrow when I clean my kitchen. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media channels, and I will link them right over here for you as well. Thanks for watching.